In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can memorize shorthand characters. See, what happens is that when we are new to shorthand and when we see these characters, most of us usually get worried and we think that how we're gonna memorize these characters, they look so strange. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a writing drill that you need to perform every day, and after some days, you will soon see an improvement in your memory. So, to perform this drill, you need a paper and a pencil, or a notebook and a pencil. So let's get started. Alright, so to perform this drill, what you need to do, first of all, you need to choose a character. So suppose if we take a character here called P, now what you need to do, you need to write this character, and at the same time you have to speak the name of that character. And when I use the word speak, I don't mean that you just have to say the name in your mind, but you have to actually speak the name of that character loud. For example, if this is the character P, then we will do like this, P. So you saw what we did here, we just made this character and at the same time we also spoke the name of this character. Alright, so to perform this drill, you need to repeat this task until you run out of space. As for example, it goes like this: P, 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 P. Alright, so you saw that we just repeated this task, and here you saw that we just run out of space. So this is what this drill is all about. You need to write the characters, you need to make the characters, and at the same time you also have to speak the name of the characters loud. Alright, so suppose if we have another character here called B, so the drill will go like this: B, 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 B. Okay, so you saw that again we run out of space here, and let me tell you that if you run out of space, you can just start it from the new line like this: B, 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 B. Alright, so you can either do this way, or you can first take one character, and when you run out of space you can start with another character. It depends on you. Alright, but it will be highly recommended that you practice more and more. Okay, you write particular character more and more. So you can apply this drill to the phrases also, like phrases. Suppose if we have these are the characters, right? So the phrase, suppose we have a phrase called I have. So I have is made like this. So you can do the same drill here like this: I have, 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 I have. Alright, so what's happening here is that when we are writing these characters, and at the same time when we are speaking the name of these characters, our mind is getting familiar more and more with these characters. Okay, so when you will perform this drill for some days, then after some day you will soon realize that there is an improvement in your memory, which means that you no longer have to think about the character while making it. Alright, so suppose if we have another phrase called I will. Alright, I will. So I will is made like this. So you can do the drill like this: I will, 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 I will. Alright, so suppose you can also take the gram logs, like suppose we have gram logs here. Gram logs, like suppose we have a gram log called how. How. So how is made like this. So you can perform the drill here also like this: how, 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 how. Okay, let's take another, like we have why, So y is made like this. So you can perform the drill like this. Y, 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 y. Alright, so this is what this drill is all about. You can you can perform this drill with the characters, with the phrases, with the gram logs, or any other type of words that you want to memorize, that you think that are really important. So and let me tell you that this drill not only applies with Pitman. You can apply this drill to almost any type of shorthand. Alright, so that was all about it. I think that this is a very important video for all the people who are learning stenography or shorthand, and I just suggest you that you should really share this video to the maximum number of people as you can, because this is a really important video for all the beginners to stenography or shorthand.